Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pie and grow a garden. First, let's master the perfect pie crust. You'll need 5 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of very cold butter cut into small cubes. Mix these ingredients, then slowly add about 1/2 cup of ice water until a dough forms. Chill the dough for at least 30 minutes. This step is crucial for a flaky crust. Now, let's create a delightful pie filling. Select about 6 cups of your favorite fresh fruits, like apples or berries. Mix them with 1/2 cup of sugar and 2 tablespoons of flour to thicken the juices. Roll out your chilled dough to about 1/8 inch thick for both the bottom and top crusts. Bake your pie at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes, then reduce to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for another 40 to 50 minutes, until golden. Transitioning to the garden, careful planning is key. Choose a location that gets 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day. It's wise to test your soil's pH, aiming for a range between 6.0 and 7.0. Enrich your soil by mixing in 2 to 3 inches of good quality compost. Finally, map out your garden, thinking about how much space each plant will need to thrive. With your garden planned, it's time to plant. Follow the specific depth and spacing instructions for your chosen seeds or seedlings. Ensure your plants receive about 1 inch of water each week, watering deeply to encourage strong root growth. Apply a 2 to 3 inch layer of organic mulch around your plants to retain moisture and suppress weeds. Remember to inspect your garden regularly for any signs of pests or diseases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.